Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are learning the 14th block, which is decimals, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, so we have learned multiplying and division. We have learned how to do with the 1, 10, 1000, 100, isn't it, children? So, in the last topic, in the fourth topic, we are going to do the decimal division steps. Okay, let's see. Find the quotient. Okay, the sum is find the quotient. 4.34 divided by 6. So 6 is your divisor, 4.34 is your dividend. Okay, so you will place those in the arc and the slipping line like this. Now here, children, before decimal in ones place you have 4, which is less than 6. So if there is no decimal, what you have to do, you will join the first two numbers, that is 4 and 3, and you will make it 43, and then you will check with the number. Okay, here also we will do the same, but as we have decimal in the dividend, you have in the quotient you have to write 0 point. Okay, if you write 0 point, then you can ignore the decimal in the dividend, then that becomes 43. Okay, now 43 check with 6 table. So 6 sevens are 42, isn't it, children? So 6 sevens are 42. Now you need to subtract. In division you do subtraction, isn't it? So 3 minus 2 becomes 1 and 4 minus 4 becomes 0, so 1. Now you will bring down the 4. Now 14 in 6 table. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, right? So 6 2s are 12. So what is left out? Now after doing subtraction you will get 2. Okay, now here, children, in decimals we can extend this division. Okay, so remainder is 2, isn't it, children? So as you have kept the decimal in the quotient, you can write 0 and check whether we can get a 0 in the remainder or not. Okay, now you have 20. As we have written, there is a decimal in the quotient, you can write a 0 beside the 2 and check whether we can make it to 0, remainder to 0 or not. Okay, 20. Do we have 20 in 6 table? No, right? So 6 3s are 18. So you will write 18. And if you do the subtraction here, children, again you are getting the 2 remainder. That means again if you put a 0 there, as we have kept the decimal in the quotient, again it will be 18. Again it will be, after subtraction you will get 2. So that means we can't make it 0. So 2 itself is your remainder in this sum. So quotient is 0.723 and the remainder is 2. Okay, let's see another sum. 7 divided by 8. So 8 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend. So you will write that. So 8 and 7. So 7 is less than 8 and we don't have any other digit also after 7. What we have to do here, so you can place a decimal 0 point and you can write 0 in the dividend, then that becomes 70. Now check with the 8 table whether you have decimal, whether you have 70 in 8 table or not. So 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, so that becomes more, so 8 8s are 64. Now if you subtract here, you will get the answer as 6. Okay, and you already kept decimal in the quotient, again you can write a 0 here. Once you keep decimal in the quotient, then you can add zeros how many ever times you want. Okay, we are just checking whether we can make it a 0 in the remainder or not. If it is not making like the previous question, then you will stop somewhere and you will write the quotient. Okay, children, so 60. So 8 sevens are 56, isn't it? So if you subtract, it is 4. 4 again we did not get. So again let's write 0 as we have written already the decimal in the quotient. Now it is 8 8 5s are 40. Isn't it, children? 8 5s are 40. Now here we are making 0. The remainder is 0. Then here you can stop it. Okay, 40 minus 40 becomes 0. So the quotient is 0.875 and the remainder is 0. Okay, children, like that you need to solve the division in the decimals. Okay, so there are few more sums in your daily schedule, children. Copy it down in your classwork book. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 33, S4, dividing decimal steps. Okay, so in the next class we'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.